Let's take a look at CarMax, all right? It's on a rocky road as it misses estimates. The stock is down about 10.5% amid ongoing pressures across the used car industry. Net revenue seeing a 23.7% slide year over year. The shares are under pressure. You can see their earnings per share really missing by a wide mark there. And the company is saying in a statement, vehicle affordability challenges continue to impact our third quarter unit sales performance. So interesting here. We have started to see those prices come down, but it's, not helping.
Yeah, no, things really downshifted in this quarter for CarMax, and the speed of the results really slowed down. You have sales down 23.7% year over year, and we're seeing pressure off of this quarter for the likes of AutoNation. That stock under pressure. You have Carvana, Yahoo Finance's worst company of the year, also under pressure. My read on this is not a good quarter for CarMax, of course, not necessarily good news for, I would say, automakers or Carvana, of course, which is very struggling, because if CarMax, a leader in the space, is putting this up, you can only imagine what Carvana is sitting on in terms of a quarter.
Yeah, the brake pads are really getting tested on this one today. That's the best I can come up with.
I'm really rubbing on, please.
That's good. I like that one.
Total wholesale units sold, they decreased by about 37%. And that was despite a decrease of about $165 per unit from the prior year's third quarter. But then additionally here, they pointed out one thing that really stuck out to me, which was the profit that they took in. Total gross profit was down 31% versus last year's third quarter as well. And the retail used vehicle gross profit, that was down by about 21%. So if you're in the business of used cars and you're seeing profits decline that massively, especially on a year over year basis, and there still is no kind of end in sight as of right now for when the buyers are going to come back into the used cars or used vehicles, especially given the financing options that are on the table right now, that still signals a lot of headwinds and
investors they really got keyed here today, Brad. Really got keyed.
They did.